Hello everyone, this is Aarti and welcome you all at my YouTube channel. So today in this particular video, I will be talking about statistics and so let's get started. So first of all, let's discuss what is statistics. So statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting the data. So in mathematics, we are having different branches like algebra, trigonometry. Similar to this, we are having one more branch called statistics. In statistics, we deals with collecting the data from different sources, organizing our data in some meaningful form like tabular form. We analyze our data and we interpret our data. We are doing some operation on our data. So all these things we are doing in statistics. So now let's see what all are the types of statistics. So there are two types of statistics. The first one is descriptive statistics and the second one is inferential statistics. So let's see both one by one. First one is descriptive statistics. We talk about how we can describe our data, how we can summarize our data based on the characters, how we can characterize our data. Okay, so in this we are summarizing or describing the characteristics of data set. Okay, so we are having a data set have different characteristics like what is the mean of our data set, what is the median value of our data set, what is the mode value of our data set, and we summarize our data set, right? What is the maximum value, what is the minimum value? All these things will come under descriptive statistics. Okay, so there are two types. Another descriptive statistics is divided into two types. The first one is measure of central tendency. In measure of central tendency, we are talking about the central value that is called as mean, median, and mode. And the second is measure of dispersion. In this, we are talking about the variance between the values. Okay. So in this, we are talking about the shape of our data set. What is the standard deviation? What is the variance? What is the range? And what is the interquartile range of our data set? All these things will come under the measure of dispersion. And if we talk about uh, if we in terms of data science, and when we are using descriptive statistics, so as you know, in data science, we are in data science project we have one part called EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. In exploratory data analysis, we are doing what we are doing. We are analyzing our data. We are exploring our data set. What is data set telling us, right? So in that, we are also doing univariant, bivariant, and multivariant analysis. Like we are finding some relationship between two variables. We are how our data set is distributed. Okay, we all this type of analysis we are doing using diagrams. Okay, we are doing using diagrams. We are doing all the things. We are describing all the things. We are summarizing our data using diagrams. So, so in data science, we are using diagrams for doing descriptive statistics. Now, moving on to the second type is inferential statistics. So, what does it mean by inferential statistics? It means making estimates about data, or it allows you to make predictions. Now, what does it mean? It means, like, for example, we are taking a uh, we are taking a data set. Okay, so we are having an employee data set. Now, from employee data set, we are making a prediction or we are making an estimate that a salary of an employee is depends on the age of an employee. Now we have to find out the estimate or the prediction that we have made, is this true or not, right? So how we can find out that? Using hypothesis testing, we can draw conclusion. We can draw this conclusion that is this prediction is true or not, that we have made about our data. This conclusion is true or not, right? So this thing we can do. Now, when we are using inferential statistics in our data science projects. So in our data science project, we are doing hypothesis testing to test a hypothesis. Like the hypothesis is we are making some prediction, we are making an estimate that we just made about the employee salary, right? So the employee salary depends on the age of employee. It is our estimate, it is our hypothesis, right? So now we have to check, is our this hypothesis is true or not. Now how we can do this? Using different kind of test, okay, like t-test, z-test, chi-square test. Using all this kind of test we can find out these things, okay.